Hello, welcome back to Level Mathematics tutorial with Tam. The last video, we're working on the example of distributive properties of binary operation. Now we are going to continue with the second example. Does grad distribute over star? We are starting the formula with grad first because according to the question, grad distribute over star followed by star, grad and star. Now the left hand side and the right hand side. If the right hand side and left hand side are equal, that means grad distribute over star. But if they are not equal, that means grad did not distribute over star. Now let's start with the one inside bracket. A grad B. Following this, A grad B will be AB. Let's call it K. A grad C will be AC. Let's call it M. Joining the two together, K star M will be K plus M. And what is K? K is AB. AB plus M is AC. Now K star M will be, since they have A and A in common, collect like terms. A into bracket B plus C. That is the answer for the left hand side. Let's keep it somewhere. Left hand side, K star M will be A into B plus C. Now for the right hand side, B star C first. B star C will be B plus C. Let's call it R. So A grad R will be AR. That is A into bracket B plus C. This is our right hand side. For the left hand side, the left hand side is K star M, which is A into B plus C. Since the answers are the same, we say that operation star distributes over what? Operation grad distributes, therefore operation grad distributes over star. Now let's move to the identity elements. The identity element of binary operation. Identity element. The identity element is also called the neutral element. So it has the formula A star E equals to E star A equals A. So either you say A star E equals A, or you say E star A equals A. That's why I joined the two equations together, forming A star E, which is this. E star A will result to what? A. Now let's solve some example. The first example. An operation star is defined on a set R of real number by A grad B is equal to AB over 3. For A, B, an element of R, find the identity element. Now, solution. Using the formula A grad, we are using grad, so instead of using star, we will call it grad. A grad B equals A grad E equals A. A grad E is equals A. Using this formula, A grad E is AE over, since it's A grad B will be AB over 3. So A grad E will be AE over 3 equals A. Then we use these two. So AE over 3 equals A, cross multiply. So it will be AE equals to 3A. Now we are looking for the identity element, which is E. So you divide both sides by A. So E A cancel, A cancel, A cancel, A cancel. The identity element is what? 3. Therefore, the identity element is 3. Another example, if you are asked to find the operation star is defined on a set of real number, if this is the operation given, A plus B minus 1. If this is the operation given, A star B equals to A plus B minus 1. So to find the identity elements, it's simple. You say A grad E equals to A. So A grad E itself, since A star B, A grad B equals A plus B minus 1. So A grad E will be A plus E minus 1 equals A. Then we use this 2. So A plus E minus 1 equals to E. Collect like times. E minus 1 equals to A minus A. So E minus A equals to E minus 1 equals to 0. A minus A is 0. So E equals to, this 1 will come to the other side, plus 1. So the identity element is plus 1. The inverse element. The formula for the inverse element is A star A inverse equals to E. You know that the E means the neutral element or the identity element. An operation star on a set of R of real numbers is defined by A star B equals to 2A plus 2B minus 3 over. To find the inverse element. To find the inverse element, you must first get this E, which is the identity element or the neutral element. To find the identity element solution, let's get it. The identity element will say A star E equals A, and A star E using this operation equals to 2A plus 2E, because A star B will be 2A plus 2B. A star will be 2A plus 2E minus 3 over 2 equals A. Now we will use this, then cross multiply from here. So it will be 2A plus 2E minus 3 equals to 2A. We are looking for the identity element, which is the E. So you collect like terms. 2E will be 2A. This A will come and meet this A here, minus 2A, and this 3 will come to the other side, plus 3. So 2A minus 2A is what? 0. So 2E equals to 3. So 2E equals to 3. Divide both sides by 2. E equals to 3 over 2. And E equals to 1 whole number 1 over 2. So after we've gotten the identity elements, then we'll now move to the inverse elements. To get the inverse element, we say A star A inverse equals to identity element. We got it as 3 over 2. 3 over 2. So A star A inverse, using this operation, is equal to 2A plus 2A inverse minus 3 over 2, all equals to 3 over 2. Then we use these two. So we cross multiply direct. So it will be 2, so it will be 2, this 2 into 2A plus 2A inverse minus 3 equals to 2 times 3. Then it will be 2 times 3, that is 6. We can divide this through by 2 to remove this 2, through by 2 to remove this 2. So 2 cancel 2, 2 cancel 2. So we are left with this. Then since we are looking for the A inverse, the 3 will go to the other side. It will be 2A inverse equals to 3. This 2A will go to the other side, minus 2A minus 2a minus 2a plus 3 cancel. So 2a inverse will be minus 2a, divide both side by 2, divide both side by 2. So a inverse will be minus a. Thanks for watching. See you in the next class. Bye for now.